Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So as usual we would see the post market analysis. So we had marked the strong resistance zone and good support zone. We saw after a big downfall and sideways movement, market has or was building a good support zone at this particular level, that is 34,800, and 35,000 level was acting as a good support level. Okay, so now let us see how market behaved today. So what we saw initially, market opened a gap up, but due to the strong resistance zone, we saw some downfall till this particular level 35,100, and market bounced back heavily, we can say, and reached to a level of 35,800. Okay, so it was a good rally today. We see bulls taking on bears. I hope you might have got profit today as well. So do not enter into the trade without stop losses. This is one basic rule we need to follow. So now let us see what do we have for tomorrow, or what are the levels. Now at the bottom we have a very strong level, that is strongest level of the support 35,000 at 35,000. We have a strong support zone between 35,200 to 300, and a stronger support zone between 35,500 at 35,500, not between or anything. So this level is another stronger level. So we have a good resistance at 35,800. Strongest resistance is at 36,000. Okay, and good resistance zone between 36,200 to 100. We I have marked this as a no trade zone because we saw a small downfall, and so let the market go beyond this level, either upside or downside, then enter into the trade if market opens flat. Okay, so if market opens above this particular level, that is 35,800, then we can see the first target would be 36,000, then the second target would be 36,200. In fact, there is a good resistance. If we compare at the previous levels, we can see market going into the sideways at this particular level. Okay, so same thing we might face. If this level is broken, then the next target would be 36,500. So what I'm thinking, this was if market opens above 35,800. If it opens flat and crosses this level 35,800, then we might see what we can say a sideways market between 35,800 to 36,000. And next is if market opens gap down. So gap down, I mean to say below 35,650 level, 650 level, then we can see market reaching to this particular level 35,500, and making a bounce back, or it can bounce back strongly from this particular levels as well. Now one more thing I want to show is I have marked few things. So what we saw from 3rd August, market bounced back. There was a gap of opening, and it went to this level 36,200, and it went sideways. Okay, so I have marked the movement with black path. Okay, and we can see I have marked a blue shaped, light blue shaped a box type, where market was in a consolidation phase, or whatever we can say, in a sideways movement, and it gave a breakdown of this particular level over here with a huge gap down of 35,500. It went to this, it bounced back again and again. uh, what we can see, a positive movement. So here again we can see that market gave a breakdown of this breakout of this particular level, that is 35,500. Okay, so why did I draw this? To identify, or just to predict the movement of the market. So market is making its strong support at this particular level, and already we see this level as becoming a stronger support. So bulls are becoming stronger, considering the 2 days movement. So what I'm expecting is tomorrow we can expect, if market opens with a small gap down, so market can come to this particular level 35,600. you can see right over here, and then bounce back to this particular level till here, take again taking the support of 35,800, then reaching the next target 36,200. This is one path. Second, if market opens gap up, then we can see initial good movement, it would break the 36,000 level, or it may consolidate near this particular level and then break. So these are the two possibilities path that I am thinking that market would travel tomorrow. I hope you like my analysis. The only thing I want to suggest you is, wherever let the market go, just follow the market and take the trade. Take the trade with the stop loss. Do not enter into the trade without any stop loss. Okay. So please hit the like button, guys. It takes lot of effort to make whatever analysis, whether it is 1 minute or 10 minutes, and your one like motivates me to do more and share whatever knowledge I have. Okay, so share with your friends and subscribe to my channel to get the daily analysis. Thank you.